52 Traders, episode 146.
If you're spending too much time in your conscious mind thinking about each individual trade, your chances of finding a good trade go down tremendously.
Join Cam every week on the 52 Traders podcast or at 52traders.com to learn how to trade like the pros. This podcast is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not investment, trading, or financial advice of any kind.
What's up, traders? Welcome to another installment of the 52 Traders podcast. I'm your host, Cam Hawkins, and today we have Chris Capre on the show. Now, Chris from Second Skies Forex was actually recommended by one of you listeners out there, so you really wanted me to interview him. So I've gone out, got him on the show, and we've got a fantastic interview lined up for you. So I go through all my standard questions, but we really dive in deep on the psychological aspect of trading because of what Chris has been through in his life, and I suppose the skills that he brings to the table here, and you're going to hear them soon. Being an ex-yoga teacher and having a very sort of deep spiritual connection, and how that affects your trading, and how he can use that and utilize that to benefit his trading and anyone else that sort of follows what he does and learns how he does what he does do. So the guy's been around for a long time, and we dive deep on a whole bunch of stuff, including the likes of order flow, and we talk about price action, and even a little bit about the candlestick patterns as well. The candlesticks as well. So, guys, fantastic interview coming up with Chris. One thing, there's a couple of things to remember. So one is that he's been kind enough to give us a discount, listeners a discount on his main product. So if you want to head over to his site, which is Second Skies Forex, at the end of the show, then there's a coupon code for you, and the coupon code is 52 Traders 15. Okay, 15. So you get a 15% discount on stuff on his site. So jump on there, chuck that code in, and you get discounts. Now, I'll put that up in the show notes, and I'll put a link up to it as well. So, guys, you can just jump on there and get access to that. Now, before we get into the interview, though, there are a couple of other changes on 52 Traders. One is I've got more of a blog going on now, so I'm getting some past guests of mine to actually pop up and write some articles, give you guys some insights, and also some opportunities as well. So check out 52traders.com/blog, and you'll get access to that. You'll see it on the site. You'll see that the new articles popping up now and again. And this is just stuff to keep you guys educated on an ongoing basis from some of the best traders in the world. Okay, and if you're already a pro member, guys, you know where to go. Head off to the pro chat room where you can talk to these guys direct as well. All right, folks, without further ado, let's get on with the show. All right, folks, so we've got Chris Capre here on the show. Now, I did a survey a while ago, and I asked you guys out there, who should I get on the show? Who do you want to hear from? And Chris's name came up quite a number of times. From, what is it, Chris? Is it Second Sky Forex? Is that it?
Yes, Second Skies Forex.
Second Skies
correct.
Forex. And so we've got him on the show. It's taken us a while to get here, but how are things over there, Chris? And just out of, where is it? You're in Lake Tahoe. Lovely place.
Correct, Lake Tahoe. It's a beautiful place. You know, if you like outdoor activities, if you love skiing or snowboarding in the winter, or snowmobiling or snowshoeing, and then the summer, if you like kayaking, hiking, mountain biking, it's a great place to be. It's nature's playground, and yet it's close to the Bay Area. There's good infrastructure, there's good money, and winters can get a little challenging. You have to be in it to win it, but summers are just fantastic. You know, the expression is you move here for the winter and you stay for the summer. And so that's kind of where I'm living right now.
I've never been there, but I mean, I do remember it from way back in my childhood, watching, I think it was like Make a Match or something, some TV show where these couples got together, and they always seem to get sent to either Lake Tahoe or Cancun. And I was like, man, these places must be amazing. So it's good to hear from someone who actually comes from there. Right, so let's get on with the questions here today. We've got a lot to get through, and I know you've got a great story to tell us, and I'm sure some of the listeners out there who put your name up want to hear the answers to these. So can you start off by just telling us a bit about you personally? I suppose you've done that a little bit, but how you first got into trading is really what we want to hear, and your trading story to date.
Sure. So
All right, folks, hope you enjoyed that little teaser of the interview there. Now, as I said before, my name's Cam Hawkins, and this is 52 Traders. Look, it's been said that the fastest way to become rich is to find a successful trader and simply do what he's doing. However, the challenge is finding someone who really knows what they're doing and who's willing to share. Now, that's what you get here at 52 Traders, and that's what you get in this interview, the full interview, and all the other ones that I've done. Look, since 2015, I've been finding the very best traders who know what they're doing and getting them to share their expertise. Now, during this interview, you're going to hear just one of over 100 interviews that I've done, and I know you're going to love it, but this interview is just the tip of the iceberg. So over the course of the next 30 days, you'll have free access to my entire library of interviews with over 100 of the world's best traders. And you'll also enjoy my private chat room where past guests and other full-time traders are sharing charts and helping other traders 24/7. Have you ever wanted to talk to Larry Williams, who turned 10K into 1.1 million in less than a year? Or how about Timothy Sykes, Andrea Unger, Al Brooks, or Rob Booker? They're also in there along with many more. When you get started today, you'll immediately receive access to interviews with dozens of world-renowned experts in Forex, stocks, bonds, commodities, cryptocurrencies, options, and futures trading. And the great news is this series of interviews grows each month. That's because every month I talk to some of the best traders in the world, getting them to reveal their step-by-step trading methods and the secrets behind their trading success. So whether you trade Forex, futures, stocks, options, or cryptocurrencies, the knowledge and methods these traders share will help you take your trading profits to the next level. So why not give it a try? It's only $5 to get started and have instant access to over 100 interviews with some of the world's top traders and the 24/7 chat room where you get direct access to some of the world's best traders. Then after 30 days, if you like the comprehensive education you're getting, you can continue to receive up to 4 new interviews each month and the 24/7 chat room for only $5 a month. But if not, there's no obligation to continue. Where else would you get such direct access to the world's best traders for what many pay for a cup of coffee? So go ahead, click the link in the show notes, or go to 52traders.com and start learning from some of the world's best traders. Trust me, you'll be glad you did.